and insights to navigate and alleviate exam-related stress.
Something that you like a lot. It can be going to the mall, it can be dressing up, it can be randomly dressing up in your room and doing a photo shoot. Everything is fine as long as it makes you happy. When you guys talk, then we get to know more and more things that we need to discuss, right? And we'll also be noting down the certain things. We'll also be making a few lists so that when you are stressed. This was the crux of what we talked about. Everybody thinks that anxiety is basically, or exam stress, or whatever you called it is just overthinking when it's not, right? Your anxiety or your stress can manifest as a lot of things. Why is this important? Why are we talking about it in the beginning itself? Because only when you know, you will acknowledge, and only when you acknowledge, you will be able to deal with it, right?
Like if we have an upcoming test or an exam and we are stressed to do our best in it, but we feel that everything is not going our way. So how to come out of it, that feeling?
A lot of times you'll be very, very anxious just a day. Just a day before the exam, you'll be very, very anxious, which again is normal, right? We didn't ask a very important questions and I want an honest answer. How many of you think that anxiety or stress is good for us? Okay, we have a divided audience. Good, thank you. Right? So some amount of anxiety and some amount of stress is beneficial for us. Otherwise, we won't make an effort, right? If you're not anxious about the exams that I have to perform well, you will not study for the exams. You'll be like, chodo, right? But it is when it is overwhelming that it is not good for us. So it's the same thing with stress. Every day morning you have to come, you have to go to school, you have to follow a routine. This stress, it actually makes you get out of bed and work, right? If you're writing things down every day, if you are doing the breathing exercise every day, it will become easier to tackle it on that day, right? Thank you.
And this insightful workshop that we've had, it is with immense gratitude that I extend my heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you who contributed to the success of this event. Our sincere appreciation goes to our esteemed speaker, whose expertise illuminated our understanding and sparkled engaging discussions today. Your dedication to sharing knowledge has undoubtedly left an indelible mark on all our students, and we are fully grateful for your time and commitment, sir. Thank you.